Welcome fans to another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing, and we're going to take a look at the Grave Digger. This one is the unrevised one with the gray hubs, so we'll take a look at that. On the back of the box is the same as the one with the green wheels. Race them all, True Metal, there's El Toro Loco, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Megalodon, Pirate's Curse, Wonder Woman, Bounty Hunter, and Max D. Of course, Grave Digger, he's in the Legacy trucks, this one at least. You choose the winner with the one figure, one poster, and also the 1/64 scale truck. So let's go ahead and unbox the Grave Digger. There's his driver. Comes with problems and questions card of a poster of the trucks that are coming out. That are out, I should say, and that are gonna be coming out. So there we go. More coming soon. Alright. Don't want to really take up too much time. Awesome poster. So here we go. The gray rimmed, or even the wheels, because the wheels are gray and the rims also are gray. Here we go. Not too bad, huh? Grave Digger out of this unrevised one. Let's go ahead. I like that driver. On the side you can see, I'm going to show you here what's wrong with it. You probably already noticed or already know. So pretty much this gray one with the gray wheels, look how far that they cut off with the tombstones and everything, and it's supposed to come way over here, and yeah, so that's a problem. It doesn't look as good, and especially like with the G, it isn't really lined up that well. It looks awkward. It looks incomplete, really, actually. But that's the only difference, I believe, with the gray one and the green one. How now with the green wheels, how it comes way over where it's supposed to be. I'm glad they fixed it. So you got, you know, if you want to pick this one up, or if you don't, or which one, you know, I picked it up since it's Grave Digger. That's pretty much why. And so everything else on the truck looks the same. So that does it. So a little short video of the Spin Master Monster Jam, the unrevised version of Grave Digger. Thank you for tuning in.